Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royal. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing a beautiful Bantu knot hairstyle. But before I continue, please I'd like you to subscribe. Thank you. First off, I'm gonna comb my hair. Then I part my hair like so. Then I'm going to part it like so. I'm going to be giving it a 4-part parting, as you can see. So I'm going to part it this way, as you can see. Then I'm going to use an attachment. Guys, look at this process very well. I'm just going to plait my hair like so. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to add everything together collectively, and then I twist it, and then I'm going to roll the hair. I'm doing a twist roll Bantu style. So if you haven't subscribed up until this time, please, I would really love that you did, and also like this video as it will help gain more traction. And let me know what you think about this, guys. I'm just done with the first part, so I'm doing the second part as well. I'm going to, you know how you pick attachment, then you now braid it. Then when you've gotten to a certain length, since you're still going to roll everything, as you can see that I'm doing, I'm just going to roll it, and then you just keep rolling and rolling. I'm just going to be doing this like so up until the very end of it. I really enjoyed this process as it was really smooth and easy to do. Now as you're doing this, make sure your pattern is smooth and clean, and other hair don't interrupt as you are twisting or rolling and going. Okay, so this is the other part. I just had to do this so you'd see. Then I'm going to part it seemingly so it will come out smooth, and I'm also going to part it this way. So I just had to do it off camera, as you can see, since you've seen the second part of it. Again, make sure as you're rolling it, make sure other hair don't interfere, so it wouldn't come off rough and not smooth. So you just have to keep doing this process up until the very end. And I've noticed something, right? While I was doing this, I noticed some of them were really quite strong and stiff. So while you're doing, just be careful not to do it so tight so it wouldn't ache you. Just be very gentle and easy while you're doing it, okay? And you would really enjoy the process and love the hair as well. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. So as you can see, you braid it, then you roll it like so. This whole hairstyle took me not less than 25-30 minutes, and I had this hair for 3 days, y'all. 3 good days. I love the process. At some point I was noticing it was feeling me, so I had to reduce the tightening, right? I had to lessen it. I unrolled it, then rolled it back, and it stayed firmly. So as you can see, you plait it just like you're plaiting your hair with attachments. Then you roll, then you now twist it like a wheel, okay? Just keep doing it up until the very end, and like I always say, enjoy the process. This hairstyle is really beautiful and it's good for summer, and it's really easy to do. So this is it basically, and this is the twist to it, guys. I had to use my crochet, and I called some part of the attachment. I boiled it with hot water, and I boiled it with hot water. I put it inside, and I'm just using this crochet to just give it some girly beaut thing going on there. So let me know if you'll be trying this process as well. So I just had to do it. I selected some Bantus. Did it from the front, the back, the left. Then some of them were quite long. I just had to use scissors to cut off some excesses, as you can see. Then guys, I had to just style my edges and make sure it's slid in properly. And I'm done, Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle. Oh my god, I look good. This hairstyle is my personal go-to. I love everything about this look. It is sweet, it is beautiful, it's stunning, it's elegant, and it's easy to do and very protective of your hair. And honestly, elegant is the word for it. So let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle. Let me know your favorite thing about this look. Let me know what you think about this hairdo, and let me know if it really suits me. I would really love to hear it. If you'll be trying this hairstyle, still let me know. Again, this hairstyle took me only 30 minutes, guys. Let me know in the comment section everything you think about this hairdo, and I'll do well to respond to you. I really love this look, and I love how it turned out. I love how it came out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Subscribe.